Hello everyone, welcome to Mojo Handicrafts. And today I have come up after a very long time, but this time there is a painting which you have must have never seen it in any of the YouTube videos, because this is my own creation and I will be using a lot of mixed medias. So let's begin. Here is the work which I have started. I have traced this picture. Actually, I got two images, and because in one A4 sheet I could not get the full image, so then I placed it on a canvas board, and with that I traced it nicely, half part like this in front and half in the back side, and then I added a few soldiers behind the elephant also, as the Maharani cannot go alone in the elephant. So I thought, why not add one? So now after tracing it, this is the metallic gold glass liner. With that I did the covered the whole picture, and let it dry for at least 6 to 7 hours, or maybe depending on the weather you have there, could be 24 hours also. I just left the faces. I have done it with a permanent marker, and after that, using this gold color, I have filled up few places in the picture which I wanted to give a gold finish, like umbrella and some of the decorative, the lacy things which I could feel was there in the picture. And then I have added some kundans. These kundans I got it from Amazon. It is easily available. After that, I to give it a bandhani cloth finish, i have um, I have used okay, first let me tell you that this is the white acrylic paint which I have filled up inside the picture to give it a complete white finish, because the red carbon which I had used had split somewhere, and then it left the mark. So to avoid that, I have filled it with white acrylic color. Then I have used this what do you call it, glue gun, to give a batik or bandhani print cloth on the background. So to learn that, you can always check my other video. I'll leave the link in the description box, saying that batik print painting. Okay, so now with the acrylic color, I have filled up only the designs which I had made. First I had applied a dark pink. Then I did not like that too bright colors, so I just gave a touch ups with yellow, and then for the orange also, like that I just mixed up three colors: orange, dark pink and yellow. So now this has been done, and now I will be covering the whole thing with blue color, but I don't want a very dark background, so I have used this waterproof drawing ink. This is also available on Amazon, so you can buy from there. So after painting the whole thing, I have used tissue to wipe off the extra color like this. So you can wipe off the extra color so that it gives a little dull effect and looks like a cloth. So now the glue has dried up, the hot glue, so you have to remove that. This is this I have explained in my batik painting. So see, after you remove the hot glue from the canvas, it will give a batik, or you can say bandhani print effect. It's looking like as if you have stuck a cloth uh, in the background, but no, actually it is a painting. So this is the best part. I like it. So too much of explaining I'm doing. I hope you're liking it. And this painting, I just got an idea of doing it. You will never see this. I mean, you must have not seen this in the YouTube. This is not at all common design. Now I will be filling up the whole painting with glass colors. So glass colors, you have to take solvent base. I have used solvent base. If you don't have, then you can use the other one also. But I have given a symmetrical look of the painting because it was already so colorful. So what I did, this is the packaging of that. So I have taken two colors common in the soldiers who are not the soldiers, or you can say the Bharati. Actually, it is a kind of look of a Bharat. So only the groom is wearing full green and golden pajamas, and rest all the Bharat mm, guys who are holding the umbrella and all that, they are wearing similar kind of a dress, like their pagdi and their chudidar, you can see. So this is what I could do. And after finishing that, I have stuck kundans, square kundans, in the center of the glue design, and then given it a, of course I have stuck few studs and few beads also on umbrella, and this is how it looks. So I am very happy with the painting because it was completely my idea, so I had no idea of what is going to come next. I hope you enjoyed my video. For any suggestions or comments, please subscribe.